Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make click here link in Canva. Alright, in short, how to add clickable link in Canva. Okay, so first of all, just open your Canva design. Okay, now go on the left side, click on text, and here click on add a text box. Okay, now I'm gonna type click here, and I'm gonna make it bold and change the font to Anton. Alright, now what you have to do, just click on these, just select the text, click on these three dots, and here go to link. Now add any link to this bar. So I'm gonna add my YouTube video link to this bar. Just click on it, and after that just click on done. So whenever someone will click on this link, they will be redirected to a YouTube video. So I will show you. Okay, so I'm gonna download this file in PDF format. As you can see, I've already downloaded it. Now this will only work for PDF files. It will not work for PNG or JPG, but also it will work for PPT. Okay, now I'm going, as you can see, I'm on PDF file right over here. And when I will click on this link or click on this text, I will be redirected to a YouTube video. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.